Hi folks, this is Dr. Don. I want to spend a little bit of time this afternoon and talk to you about AI and actually encourage you to play with AI. That is the best way, in my opinion, to learn how to use AI properly. And I think this is especially important. I wish I could easily let you use AI in this course, but it's a little bit sketchy because currently the school policy is that AI can only be used by students where the assignment instructions in the Canvas course specifically say AI can be used. That's in the academic integrity policy. This is a change from the 2024 policy. In 2024, instructors were given the prerogative of letting students use AI on certain assignments, notably accepting any long-form written assignments, including initial discussion posts. The problem with that is that many of our courses are not going to be revised this year. My understanding now is that it will be 2026, first or second quarter, before some of the courses that I teach begin to get into the queue to get revised. This course, BUS563, is a perfect course where we should be letting you use AI tools, notably Copilot in Excel, to help you with the assignments. That is what you're going to be asked to do by your bosses when you get out in the real business world once you graduate. For some of you, I expect you may already be seeing AI being encouraged by your company or your organization. So what do? My strong suggestion is that you at the very least be playing with AI. I just saw an interview with Jensen Huang, the CEO of NVIDIA, the world's most valuable company right now. In it, he was asked, isn't there a problem with AI hurting the cognitive skills of people that use it? He responded that he hadn't read that particular MIT study. I have, and that's the one that everybody is referencing. And it's got some weaknesses, that study, in my opinion. But Jensen encourages strongly, he even used the word mandates, that everyone in NVIDIA use AI. And he said they, for the most part, are doing that. And he said that he personally uses AI every day. He said he uses multiple AI tools. He uses ChatGPT, Claude, Grok, Gemini, Perplexity, and others. And he said he thinks his cognitive skill level is improving. What he emphasized is that actually the way you should be using these tools is really a conversation that goes on and is iterative. In particular, if you are doing it right, you're asking a lot of questions. And the way you learn to ask good questions is to know the domain, which requires a lot of earned knowledge. So it is that this iterative process of asking questions, evaluating what you get from the AI tool, and then refining it by asking new questions you should be using, and continuing that process until you get a result you trust. That is definitely a higher level skill. So again, I want to encourage you to be active and play with these tools. I know you are busy, but try to spend at least 30 minutes a week in your schedule playing with these tools. It will pay off. I hope this little video helps.